Hi, Brayden.
Brayden Bear.
Hi, Brayden. You're a good boy. Yes, you are.
Ooh, what's all that stuff?
Where are you going? Oh.
Turned around? Hey, Brayden, what's this? What are these?
Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you.
What are these? What is this stuff?
Oh.
What is this? More music? I know what you want. You want your football. You want your football. Here you go. You can have it. Here you go. Open your hand.
It's like, I don't know how to do that yet.
There you go. There you go.
Oh.
Throw a pass.
Yeah,
Look at that.
good
All
job.
right. Just threw a pigskin a quarter mile.
You did. You did.
Little pro.
It's like, I want to eat it.
Want to eat it? Ew.
Stop going. Hi. Oh, that's a cute face. That's a cute face.
Are these fish? Like these fish? Yeah, you do. Fish. Oh. You turn over on your side, huh? What's this?
Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. There you are. And all your cuteness. All your cuteness.
I know you want your football. There you go.
I think your cousin Meadow has the same song.
Fish?
Hi, sweetie.
What's this?
Hi, sweetie.
What's this? Orange.
Yay! Yay! Where you going?
Getting stimulated?
Where you going?
He's already turned himself to the side.
Yeah. Because I'm so smart and so strong. Ah. All right. Here we go. Bye-bye.